fading from sight. Kangaroos move in the golden haze. Here in the quiet, I could spend my days. Trees stand tall where the wild winds play. Sun through the leaves turns the world to gray. Footsteps vanish where the tide rolls high. No need to ask, no need to try. Oh, I've been running, always chasing something new. But every road leads me back to the place where the sky stays blue. Stay a while, hear the river sigh. Feel the world slow down, watch the seasons fly. Roll down to the pines, and every time I leave, I hear it call, a whispering breeze saying, don't go at all. Oh, I've been running, but something holds me near. No city lights, no crowded streets, just a voice saying, stay right here. Sings calling you.